If your Virgin Media Hub 5 is showing a flashing red light, this indicates there's no internet connection or a service disruption. This is actually one of the most common issues reported by Virgin Media customers, even with recent firmware updates. The Hub 5 is Virgin Media's flagship router supporting Wi-Fi 6 technology. It uses a color-coded LED system to communicate its current status to users. The Hub 5 uses 5 different LED status indicators. Solid white means everything is working normally with internet connected. Flashing red, which we're focusing on today, indicates no internet connection or service disruption. Solid red indicates a critical error or hardware failure. Flashing white means the hub is starting up or connecting to the network. And solid green means connected but with limited functionality. The flashing red light is the most concerning status for users as it means complete loss of internet connectivity. Now let's explore the various causes that can trigger this flashing red light. Understanding these root causes is essential for effective troubleshooting. There are 6 main categories of issues that can cause the flashing red light. First, service outages due to network maintenance or area-wide disruptions affect multiple customers simultaneously. Cable connection problems are very common, involving loose or damaged coaxial cables that connect your hub to Virgin Media's network. Signal problems occur when there's poor signal strength or interference affecting the connection quality between your hub and Virgin Media's infrastructure. Firmware glitches are software-related issues that can develop over time, often requiring simple resets to resolve. Hardware malfunctions involve internal component failures within the hub itself, which may require replacement of the device. Finally, account issues such as billing problems or service suspensions can also trigger the flashing red light, even when the hardware is functioning correctly. According to Virgin Media's technical data, approximately 40% of flashing red light issues are resolved through simple power cycling, while 25% require cable connection adjustments. Understanding these causes helps you identify the most likely solutions for your specific situation. When your Virgin Media Hub 5 shows a flashing red light, follow these troubleshooting steps in order. We'll start with the simplest solutions first. Step 1 is the power cycle method. This simple restart resolves about 40% of connection issues. Unplug your Hub 5's power cable completely. Wait exactly 30 seconds with the power disconnected. This allows all internal components to fully reset and clear any temporary errors. Reconnect the power cable and wait 5 to 10 minutes for the hub to fully start up. The light will cycle through different colors before hopefully returning to solid white. Step 2. Check all cable connections. Loose or damaged cables cause 25% of connection problems. Focus especially on the coaxial cable connection. Check that the coaxial cable is firmly screwed into both the wall outlet and your Hub 5. Look for any visible damage, kinks, or sharp bends that could affect signal quality. Step 3. Verify if there's a service outage in your area. Sometimes the problem isn't with your equipment, but with Virgin Media's network infrastructure. If there's a known outage in your area, you'll need to wait for Virgin Media to resolve it. Outages are usually fixed within a few hours. Step 4. If the previous steps haven't worked, try a factory reset. This will restore your Hub 5 to its original settings and resolve software-related issues. Step 5. Check your signal levels through the hub's web interface. Poor signal strength is a common cause of connection problems that requires technical attention. Look for the downstream and upstream power levels. Optimal downstream power should be between -7 and +7 dBmV. Upstream power should be between 35 and 51 dBmV. Finally, know when to contact Virgin Media for professional help. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, or if your signal levels are outside the optimal ranges, it's time to call for technical support. Virgin Media's technical support can run remote diagnostics on your Hub 5 and determine if a technician visit is needed. Most issues are resolved within 48 hours of reporting.